Hey everyone, it's Matt Donahue with the Valero Insurance Agency. That's right, the Valero Insurance Agency doing our first ever little video post, if you will. And today I'm going to talk about one of the tried and true things that you can use with your clients. Maybe you want to use with yourself if you're someone who's not in financial services in any way. You're thinking about, hey, is there something I can do for myself that's going to help me be in a stronger position later? If you're in financial services, what you want to be thinking about is, hey, if I am not offering this kind of stuff to people, why not? And give us a call. Find out how you can start doing that because we can help you with that. So, what I'm going to focus on today is why would you, if you're in financial services, why would you sell a participating whole life policy? Well, participating whole life is the gold standard of insurance. It is, a lot of people will say, oh, it's expensive, but I'm a huge believer in the idea that you get what you pay for. So, if you're going to buy permanent life insurance, you owe it to yourself. If you're going to sell permanent life insurance, you owe it to your clients to at least talk about whole life insurance with them and show them what it can do. What does whole life insurance do? Well, there's really 5 key things that whole life insurance does that a lot of other types of policies just can't do. One is lifetime coverage. You pay your premium on time, and guess what? Your coverage will be there no matter what. Tax-free dividends. If you have a participating whole life policy, it's going to pay dividends. If you have one of the companies that has a super strong track record, the dividends aren't guaranteed, but hey, if a company hasn't missed a dividend since the 1840s, that's a pretty good track record. Financial flexibility. What a lot of people don't know is the tax code is very friendly towards life insurance and things you can do with it. So there's things you can do, not just with the policy, but also with the dividends in the policy to maybe help pay for the premiums later on. Whole life, like I said, has guarantees. There's a guaranteed cash value growth, and then you can customize the policy as well to do what it is your client needs to get done. So they don't just provide protection, they don't just provide life insurance, they can build wealth. There's a lot of tax advantages to them, and they can offer financial security. So why would I buy one? This is always part two, right? Like part one, people always say, oh yeah, you should show this to your client. Well, maybe you're not someone who is in financial services. You're watching this wondering, why should I buy one? Well, okay. I'd also say for all of you in financial services, you want to think about why you should buy one. And number one, it's the cash value. Get that tax-free money in your pocket. Um, you know, the way cash values grow in life insurance policies is tax deferred, real similar to how some types of retirement accounts work. It's not a retirement account, it's a life insurance policy, but guess what? It still grows tax deferred. There's also on whole life policies an option called a reduced premium. Reduced premium simply means that, hey, maybe the dividends are going to take over the premiums for you at some point. If that dividend gets big enough, it might be able to do that. You can grow your savings. Those dividends can accumulate with interest as well. You can also get what's called paid up additions. Paid up additions means your insurance will grow over time. The amount of coverage you have will grow. The reason that's super important, hey, it's 2024 today, and $1 million of whole life insurance might be a lot of coverage today. But what's it going to get you in 2054? Nowhere near as much as what $1 million would get you today. So that's where that paid up additions could be a huge benefit for you. The other thing you can do too with the right type of a whole life policy is you can buy what are called term riders. Those term riders are phenomenal because what they do is they allow you to add that extra temporary insurance you need. Maybe the kids are at home, you got a mortgage, things like that. You can add that extra coverage to the policy. Now it's all under one umbrella. You got this permanent policy, this whole life that's going to have all these tax advantages, more coverage later on in life, but you have the term insurance part as well, which is taking care of some of the bigger liabilities or protecting some of the bigger liabilities that you have today. So if you're buying a whole life policy, what you're doing is you're securing your future and you're helping secure your finances. Do you want to learn more? Hey, give me a call. Call me at 210-526-4625. Email me at mdonahue@the-via.com. Check this out as well. Go to our website, the-via.com. Someone pointed out to me, via is the Roman word for way or the road. So hey, we're the way forward, right? We're the way forward. But if you want to learn how this can really help you, let's talk. Again, give me a call, 210-526-4625. And folks, if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, call me. If you're in financial services and you're wondering, how can I show this? Or Matt, could you help me show this to other people? Call me. Call me either way. I'm happy to help. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great rest of your week, and then we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.